धन्यवाद Honorable Chairman sir. On behalf of our party Biju Janata Dal, I would like to support 127th Constitution Amendment Bill as it restores powers of the state government to identify backward classes in the state, which has been demanded by many regional parties, and it will bolster India's position as a strong federation. The reality of caste is state-specific. Some communities are dominant in one state but poor in the other state. The constitutional status will ensure that their backward status will get legitimacy, and hence policies for their uplift are tailored well. Without this amendment, many social and economically backward communities will lose access to reservations in educational institutions and also job. We are happy our state government under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Naveen Patnaik ji has approached the centre in the past, demanding that a socio-economic caste survey be conducted simultaneously with the general census in 2021. But it is not happened, but we are happy that this power to identify OBC, SCBC to the state themselves will allow the Odisha state, where a large portion of the population belongs to the OBC, SCBC communities, almost 54%, to conduct survey and frame policies of affirmative action and quotas based on the outcome of such survey. It can go a long way in evolving and fine-tuning evidence based on social policy. Again, now it is high time that central legislation shall be passed for breaching the existing 50% ceiling in reservation policy and to adopt a rational reservation policy stretching the total reservation beyond 50% on the basis of the proportionate representation of the SCBC or OBC communities in total population, which will go a long way in rectifying the historic injustice done to the weaker section, particularly SCBC, OBC categories. This can only be done after collection for a scientific database of the SCBC, OBC communities, establishing the compelling reasons for their backwardness and to give them due justice in the reservation policy. Sir, lastly, finally, I would like to also reiterate our demand of the state government for a special focus state status to the Odisha state, as we are having 54% OBC, 22.85% scheduled tribe, 17.13% scheduled caste, besides the natural calamity happening in every year or alternative year. I would like to say that this bill will have a transformative impact on the backward classes of the state and ensure provision of social justice and political empowerment in an efficient manner, and thus this bill be passed. Thank you.
धन्यवाद.